checking in those bags, shopping when we land. Big FN bag of ballin'. Plead the fifth if I get caught, they talk. Came through dripping on them, I been saucing.
Yo, what's good y'all? J-Trace here, back in a brand new video. And in today's video, I just want to be discussing about a psychological thing that I've noticed with me myself when I was starting to day trade, that I think a lot of day traders, especially when you're starting out, or even intermediate traders and even advanced traders, still potentially struggle with, which is very simple. But stop trying to control the market. Okay, there's so many traders out there, they're like, oh, liquidity, price has to go here, it has to go here, 100% will go here. That's so BS. Okay, price does not have to go where you're telling it to go. Okay, it can or it won't. Nothing is guaranteed in the market. Okay, and when I mentioned stop trying to predict or control the market, what I'm trying to say is stop trying. Once you put on a trade, right, stop trying to stare at your screen the whole entire time when you're in a trade. That is not healthy, first of all, and that's going to cause a lot of emotional stress when you're in a trade, when trading should be yes, trading is like the most stressful thing you can ever do in life. I 100% agree, but you want to make it as less stressful as possible for you. This way you don't get burnt out, you don't overtrade, and you don't just make a lot of bad trading psychological mistakes, right? So again, once you put on a trade, stop trying to think you are a market maker this, oh, they're targeting me, they're targeting that. Okay, some of that may be true. However, there's nothing you can do about it in terms of what you can control, right? You are controlling your own risk, your own trade, your take profit, your stop loss. That's stuff you can control. Once you have that set, stop trying to manipulate the market. Like I see dudes like blowing on candles right on the screen, like bro, you know how stupid you look, dude. There's people blowing on the screens, you know, doing crazy stuff, thinking the market has to go their way, which is 100% not true. Okay, that's how you get punished by the market. The market can do whatever it wants, whatever it naturally does for each asset. Okay, and our job here is to capitalize on these big moves in the market and make money. That's the end goal of every single profitable day trader, and that's full time. We're trying to make money out of these markets. We're not trying to get the whole entire move to the dot, know exactly pinpoint where it's going to reverse. Okay, yes, there are a lot of technical analysis ways you can pinpoint things like reversals, things like that, but you're never ever gonna expect to sharpen your edge to the point where you can exactly pinpoint where and when the market is gonna go, exactly what price, things like that. Stop trying to fully predict the market and try to basically stare at the chart thinking you're doing something. Okay, look at these candles move up and down while you're in a trade. Sure, yes, you can see if the momentum is going in your favor, right? If you're going short and you see a lot of selling pressure, that is very good. However, like I mentioned, when you keep on staring at the screen and looking at these candles move, essentially you're almost as if putting yourself in a market maker shoe. You're trying to like almost control the market so it goes in your favor, right? Yes, we do want it to go in our favor, but just staring at your screen, putting all this additional stress, and it's not gonna affect the outcome of your trade. The market's gonna do what it wants and what it always does. Okay, so you putting additional stress, staring at a screen all day, sitting in your room and doing nothing else with your life, not touching grass, not going outside, things like that. I can go on forever. Not getting vitamin D, not seeing the sun, dog, bro, you're missing out on a lot of life. Okay, life is not just about the charts. Life is not just about day trading. Once you get past that, you will understand. Okay, because don't forget, we are becoming full-time day traders. We want to become full-time day traders, or a lot of people want to become full-time day traders. That's the point why they start getting into day trading, at least. Hopefully not to get rich quick, because that's not how day trading works. It takes time and effort and a lot of emotional burnout to get to that really professional level. But we're here to basically extract profit and use the rest of our time as free time. Okay, we're not here trying to sit on the chart from a 9 to 5 or 9 to 11 or 9 to 12 or 9 to 8 p.m., 9 a.m., 9 p.m. Okay, we're not here to be sitting on our chairs all day trying to stare at a screen and try to predict the market. Okay, we're here just, again, like I mentioned, to capitalize on the big moves in the market and make our money and exit. That is it. We're not here targeting liquidity this time it's going to target liquidity here. stop loss hunt here ASAP as soon as possible. Price has to go here. Doesn't make sense if it doesn't go here. Don't be like ignorant or have a huge ego when the price doesn't reach where you want it to be. That's just where the market's gonna move, where the market wants to move. Okay, you're just going to accept that fact and stop staring at your screen and trying to think that, staring at your screen is going to change the result of the trade. A lot of that comes from more so anxiety, I would say, as well as no confidence in your trade. Okay, if you're very confident, done tons of backtesting, tons of data with a take profit stop loss and your trading system in general, a lot of these professional day traders, they're not sitting there on the chart whole day. In fact, they set take profit stop loss, they enter, find confirmation, things like that, and then they go on with their day. The reason why they're able to do this and leave the screen is because they're very confident in the system edge they built from personal backtesting as well as years and years of an experience looking at the market and how it moves. Okay, you're not going to be able to do this first off in the first year of trading. Probably within the second or third year, you can start transitioning to doing this. But you want to get in the habit of not staring at every single candle unless it is getting, of course, near like an alert or a point of interest of yours, right? After your entry, you don't want to be staring at your screen the whole time, okay? You want to be confident, and in order to be confident, you can't just be egotistical. You want to be confident from inner confidence that's based on experience and profitability. Think about this. If you are a day trader that's not profitable for 3 years, what makes you think staring at a screen is going to make you profitable and adding more stress? You're most likely, you just waste your time, right? Versus day traders that have been doing it for a long time, let's say 3 years profitable, they know where price is realistically going to go. They're not trying to cash a whole entire move to the dot. Don't forget this. This is a very key thing. We're not here to try to cash a whole entire move to the dot, because that's what something that a lot of traders would focus on in the beginning. Of course, we want to maximize our profits, right? But no one truly knows exactly at what point the market is going to reverse. We know roughly what area, right? For example, and with a lot of experience, you can even pinpoint a very small price range, but you can never know exactly to the T every single time, okay? So that's why we need realistic take profit levels. And with realistic take profit levels, that gives us very high confidence to just set and forget the trade, or however you want to manage your trade. For example, some people have multiple take profits, that's gonna be different. Me personally, I'm very confident in my trading system now, to the point where I've seen the results from back tests as well as live forward testing, where I just have one take profit and one stop loss. And I rarely ever, if I do, I would move my stop loss to break even, but that's the only thing I touch in the trade. I don't, for example, take partials anymore, things like that, right? That's something I would say in terms of trading, something like a beginner would do in the beginning, because it gives you security, knowing that you took profits off the table. However, later on, you'll realize this is ruining your risk reward ratio, and it's better to just exit in one spot because it's also less stressful. But it's also harder to pinpoint at what take profit level can I maximize the most and have the highest hit rate. So again, all these things just a lot come from experience. I'll say a lot of experience in becoming profitable. So again, that's gonna be it honestly for this video. Just know we're not here to cash a whole entire move. We're here to just make a profit off the market. And if we can do that consistently, we can become full-time, or you can become a full-time day trader. Are you a day trader looking to get funded with 6 figures of capital, or wanting to become a full-time profitable day trader? Well, look no further. At ETU Essential Traders University, that is exactly our main goal. We're here to teach traders of all skill levels the understanding and skills needed to become profitable in these markets. And we also offer many different services, like a full comprehensive day trading course that goes over A to Z on everything you need to become a successful trader, as well as a premium Discord membership that gives you access to our private community of traders and day trading signals. If you're really dedicated to mastering this craft, we also offer one-on-one private mentorship lessons for those looking to speed up their profitability to journey, and as well as answer any specific trading related questions that they are facing. So now visit essentialtradersuniversity.com to enroll in the day trading course and secure your spot in our premium membership community. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and make every trade count. And I'll catch you on the trading floor.